Recently, I'm at a situation where I need to transfer one file from another from my computer to another computer. Okay, so I uploaded one video into the Google Drive. Okay, I want to share it to the another computer. So how can I share it? Okay, so I don't want to log in into that computer to share from this one and download from that one. Okay, so I don't have any sharing application also installed. Okay, there may be a better approach. Okay, so because you also know, like when you upload into the Google Drive, so it will give us a very long string it will give. So what I thought is first typing into that another computer web address. So but this is very long, so typing is it's take a time and it's a tedious task. So what I thought is after that, why don't I shorten it? So when I shorten it, so it will give us a very precise link it will give. So if I show you, here you can see, uh, whenever you go into the Google and upload it, this is the URL you will get, right? But when you shorten it, if you go for a shortening web provider, shorten it to the very short, like if you go for shortly or something like that, shortly.com and 658 fe, like this it will give. So now I can type this one, I typed this one and I downloaded it. So it how they are shortening it actually. So in this video we're going to see that one, how they shorten it and how this architecture has been built. And that is a very interesting one. Okay, so before going into that one, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe it. And if you are new to our channel, so here all we discuss all about software engineering, IT related career things. Okay, so we discuss those. Let's get this started. So see here, so mapping it into the database, it's not a big deal in this kind of a situation. Okay, because if whenever see here, one important thing is shortly, okay, .com and 65 something is there. So remember always, this beginning thing will not change, only this last six digits. Okay, so some six digit it will only change. So not only 6 days, you can based on your logic you can keep anything. So these thing only change if 100 users are there, only last six digits will be changed. Okay, so now this thing only will be stored here. Okay, 65efed. Okay, in the database also. So assume this is a column, and in one column they will put this one, and another column your URL will be linked will be there. So whenever you type this one in the website, so they will extract this six digit and they will look into their database, and if they found it, then they will map it to the respective original URL link what you given. So they will store like this. So that's how whatever you type here, it will be redirected to that. So this is very easy. Okay, so this is very, but the thing is which is interesting part is, so how they make sure that from only six digits, so no website will be collide with each other, because everything should be unique, right? So otherwise what happens is, so if I enter into my enter this one, okay, who knows, it will go into someone different website which is not mine. So you have to make sure that collision will not happen in this is a very critical thing. Okay, collision should not happen, right? So to do that one, so they use a different hashing mechanisms. So hashing means MD5 hashing is there. Otherwise, you can build your custom hashing technologies, and otherwise, soft short 256 is that is for crypto and everything, and base 64 is there. So different thing for encoding and decoding. So you can use a different thing. Okay, but in some cases, okay, so you can use this MD5 hashing. Okay, so in this video also we are going to discuss about the MD5 hashing only. Okay, so how that thing work. So how the MD5 hash works, how it makes sure that everything will be unique, nothing will be collide with each other. Okay, so remember, okay, everything have some limitations. Okay, so it's not like if I build this one it will not collide. Okay, at some point everything have a limitations. So MD5 hash use 128 bit. Okay, so what is 128 bit right now? So 128 bit is nothing but, so this is how 128 bit look like. Okay, so double one double like 1100, because computer understand this one only, so only 1010, so it will become 128. This will be there. So if you go for sha 256, over there 256 bit will be there. Okay, so the more bit you have, okay, more combination you can get. Okay, so that is the you have to remember. So 128 bit I can reach out to some point, again 256 I can get also more, because in computer also, so 32 bit thing will be the architecture and 128 bit will be there. sorry, 64 will be there. So and so this is because the more bit you have, the more address you can do in the RAM, right? So that's how the more bit you have, so more thing combination you can get in here also. So now let's discuss how this MD5 hashing works. So it will use the hexadecimal representation, hexadecimal. So hexadecimal is nothing but, okay, so 16 characters will be there. Okay, 16 characters it has to choose from. So what are those 16 characters? It is from 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, so that's it. It will not go behind the F. Okay, remember, hexadecimal will not go behind the F. So what hexadecimal will do is, so hexadecimal is nothing but, so it will divide into the 4 bits. Okay, so 4 bits it will divide hexadecimal, and 4 bits will be converted into the this 0 to 9 and A to F. So now you have to see how it will convert. So how it will convert right now, so these 0 and 1 and everything into the MD5 hash. So right now at the high level, what you have to remember is 8421, and after that you start, if 0000 is there, so it will be 0. So you just, wherever one present at these positions, you have to just add it. Okay, assume 0001 is there. Okay, so 1 it has what position? Here it is, right? So you will put it as a 1. Assume like this, 0011, it will like this. So what are the position? In this position also 1 is there, in this position also. You just add these two. Okay, 2 plus 1, it will become 3. And like the same thing, triple one is there, so you will add 3, 4, 6, 7. And if you do this one 00, it will become 4, right? So this is how it will be done. So what if, okay, it will reach out to the 9 right now. 8421 is there, and some 9. Okay, so 1001, it will become 9. But when it becomes 1010, so if you add 8 and 2, it will become 10. But 10 is not there in a hexadecimal, so what happens is it will convert it into the A. And if you want 11 also, okay, if 11 comes, it will become like B. So the same thing, at some point, okay, it will reach out to the 1111, it will become 15, and 15 will become F. Okay, at the F it will stop it. Okay, so right now you have to choose a 16. Okay, so 16 characters you can choose from, and out of from that one you can do the 16 6. Okay, what is this 6? This 6 is nothing but, whenever you are typing shortly, okay, so you done this one, right? 6 5 E F E D, like this 6 you took. So this is what this 6 is. So from the hexadecimal you get some 16 million, okay, combination you can get, right? 16 million combination means 16 million website you can address. Okay, so more than that one. And if you go for another thing, if you are because what happens is, nobody like there will be expiry time will be there. Okay, so if you created now, it will not be going to the last long. So sometimes it will expire. So what expired for you, it may be given for someone else. So that's how swapping will happen. But if you still need more than 16 million, then don't go for the hexadecimal. So then you can go for alphanumeric will be there. So alphanumeric, what happens? Alpha numeric. So alphanumeric, what happens here? It uses A to Z, okay, small letter, and A to Z capital letter, and 0 to 9. So how much it will become? 26 plus 26 plus this 9. So it will become 62, right? And 62 power 6. So now how much it will become? Some 56 billion, I guess. Okay, so it will become. So that much you can address inside that one with using the alphanumeric. And whenever, remember, whenever you see because in address, if you are seeing 65 EF, okay, D, okay, and some 1, okay, if you see this one, so maybe they are using the hexadecimal. Okay, because there is no H. If H is provided, okay, if H is there like this, D, H, G, okay, K, if it is like this, then surely they are not using the hexadecimal, they are using the alphanumeric, because H, G, K is not there in hexadecimal, right? So that's why you can understand with the URL only, they are using the alphanumerics. Okay, maybe different customized also, but they are not using the hexadecimal. And remember, MD5 hash will never produce this alphanumeric and everything, so it will only provide the hexadecimal tail. But after that you can convert into the again another thing. So when you have this one, okay, so as I told, it will for divide into the 4 bit. Okay, so it will become like 128 characters are there. Okay, bits, and it will divide into the 4, so it will become 32. Okay, so what you have to remember is 4 bit equal to 1 hexadecimal. Okay, so now how much it will become? 32 hexadecimal, right? So 32 hexadecimal you can get, means 32 characters. Whenever you convert high into the MD5 hashing hexadecimal, so it will become 32 characters, like 1 D E F, and 2 3 E. Okay, so it will become like a 32. Okay, till 32 character it will become, so 32 hexadecimal character you can generate. Okay, so up to 32 only, you cannot go behind that one, because it only still restricted to the 128. If you use 256, okay, it will go way behind. Okay, so that's how you can do MD5 hashing. And wherever it happens also, it will convert it also, they again check 6 F E. Okay, D 1 2 3. Okay, MD5 hash, assume MD5 hash become like this, so they extract some 6 character from this one, and that will be assigned to your website URL, and that will be stored into this database also. So it will become like shortly and slash ed123, it will become like this. So this is it for in this video, and if you found it knowledgeable, don't forget to subscribe it, and also share with your fellow and colleague mates. Okay, so because of your own subscribe, they can also get knowledge. Okay, because of your one share also, so we can reach out to the more people. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe it, and don't forget to share it also. Okay, so thank you so much.